In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can schedule recurring appointments straight from the mobile app. The mobile app lets you schedule full series of meetings within a few clicks of a button. No laptop required. This is ideal for regular client check-ins, training sessions, or annual reviews. You can also modify or cancel an entire series of meetings within one click of a button. Let me show you how that looks like. So first, let's access the Lead Connector app, then click on Calendar at the bottom right, and then click on the plus icon. Here we will select Schedule Appointment. Then you type in the contact you would like to schedule the appointment with. You select that contact and you will see the calendar option popping up. Here you can select the calendar in question by just clicking the drop-down menu. We will just go with the connection call for now. You can select a time zone, and here we have two different options. One is the standard option and one is the custom option. So the difference is the standard option will regard your current meetings that have already been set in the calendar, meaning if a slot is blocked in your calendar, this cannot be double booked. Versus the custom option then would overwrite it. And let's say you have already an appointment booked on this particular day, it will just overwrite it and you will be double booked. So sometimes that comes in really handy if you have every morning, for example, you go with your dog for a walk and you have blocked out that 1 hour, but now you have a new client and you want to move things around, you can just override it whilst you're on the go, maybe talking to the client, and you want to nail down the appointments right there and then. So in this case, custom would be very helpful as it overrides the existing meetings in your current calendar. Let's go with custom for now. And if you scroll down a little, you can see this little box. Let's check mark recurring event. You can see the start time here. Let's select one that has not passed yet. And then select the time. And then you can also dictate the end time of the particular meeting. Okay. So in this case, we start Monday, 23rd of March, 12:30 a.m., half an hour meeting, and it will also show the time zone where the contact is located. Further down, you can see the occurrences. Do you want to meet daily, weekly on a Monday, monthly on every fourth Monday, annually on March 23rd, every weekday, Monday to Friday, or do you want to put a custom date? Let's select custom. So I want to show you, do you want to repeat this every single day, again, week, month, or year? And then also you can set the end date. Should it never end? Should it end on a particular date? So you then would select the date on, and then you click the date icon and you select the date. Or should it end after this many occurrences? Let's say you sell a coaching program which goes for 1 year or 52 meetings, for example. You can then put 52 meetings in here. And then you would just hit save. You can add an appointment title and a description. Scroll further down. Then there you have the calendar default. So this is about the meeting location, right? It will then pull, for example, the Zoom link or the Google Meet link if you have set this particular link in your calendar settings on desktop already. If you want to make it custom, you can just enter the meeting location right here. Last but not least, you can set the appointment status as confirmed or as unconfirmed. Unconfirmed comes in really handy if you have somebody looking over you and your work or needs to confirm, and then just hit unconfirm and then save top right corner. Let's confirm it for now. Let's hit save. Then let's switch the view to weekly view. And here you can see the meeting showing up. Let's fetch it. Then let's scroll down a little bit. And here you can see the recurring meeting showing up. So let's click on this. And let's click on more. And here you have all the details that we've just entered. You can see it starts at 12:30 a.m., goes until 1. It has a daily recurring, so 52 times. I should have put monthly there, but yeah, you get the point. Custom rules ignore the calendar availability, and it can overbook with another appointment should it already exist. You can also edit a single appointment within the entire series, in this case of the 52 meetings. You just tap the specific appointment of the series to edit or cancel it. Standard calendars support up to 24 repeats based on the calendar settings. However, custom recurrences can exceed this if no end date is selected. And yes, all appointments will then share the same meeting link, may this be Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet. As of now, you cannot collect payments through this particular booking system. It's only supported on the desktop. And that's it already. I hope you like this feature that will help you to book appointments whilst on the go. Please make sure to check out all of our free resources, snapshots, courses, SOPs, linked in the description below, and I will see you on the other side.